So brands of trailers, what are your guys' favorites? I love Iron Bull. I've had 2 of these exact car haulers, 22 foot, 10,000 pound pull out ramps. Sold one. Gonna be getting a lot more Iron Bulls because I like them. This Collie Creek, we'll call it homemade. It's a Mennonite Amish guy in my area. He has his own welding company, makes his own trailers. Very nice. I'll actually get more from him. He can custom make anything I want to. Lamar, this is the only used trailer that I bought. Nice little dump trailer. I like it. I'll probably actually get some more Lamar dump trailers, as well as bigger equipment trailers, or even probably not a car hauler, but equipment trailers. Load Trail, they're new to me. It's been good. This dump trailer is good. I also have a Load Trail utility 12 foot over there. So I like the Load Trail, that's good, but I have a lot of Max D. So this Max D drive over fender, stand up ramp, 14,000 pound trailer. Actually has 8,000 pound axles. I have the Max D deck over tilt gone right now, but that's an amazing trailer. If you don't have any trailers, highly consider getting that for your first or second trailer. It's Max D gooseneck, 28 foot max ramps. Very nice. And then Sport Warrior, that's just a, I think that's Big Tex, but that's just the first little equipment or utility trailer I got. Sorry. For enclosed trailers, I don't know. I have 2 Stealth and 1 Lightning Aluminum, which the Stealth ones, they're all right, but I'm just not used to the 3,000 pound axles, so they just seem so tiny and cheap and shit. But and maybe they are. Maybe it's just not a good brand. But the Iron Bull and the Max D and the Load Trail, for me, for now, is amazing. I'm definitely going to be getting more Iron Bulls. Like, I'm going to be getting a couple more equipment and everything like Iron Bull has, I'm going to literally get and try. Dump trailers, deck over equipment trailers, gravity tilt trailers, like everything I'm going to try with Iron Bull because I like them so much. Max D's great too. Their paint's not nearly as good or as strong as the Iron Bull, being in the salt. But I've still had pretty dang good luck with Max D, which is why I have like 4 of them. And yeah, so anyways, I know Diamond C's good. I might try them at some time. And Minnesota, I might try some of those. There's a whole bunch of good ones, but there's a lot of bad ones too. You got to look at the welds, got to look at the paint, got to look at all the C-channel and I-beam size and the configuration, how much it's spaced, just everything. So let me know, what are your guys' favorite? What are the best trailers out there? And what are your guys' least favorite? What are the worst trailers out there? Let me know.